Alright, this video is on how to replace a broken wheel on your AP snack tray. Comes in 3 parts. There's this special bolt. You have a nut with a built-in locking washer. And the actual wheel itself, very simple process. Just put your bolt through the wheel, place it into the hole. We're going to put our locking nut on the other side. We're going to take and tighten that down. As you see, it's set up so you really can't tighten it too far. And we just take and secure that. I like to use a socket set to do that. Tighten this up. See, that's going to turn freely, so you don't have to worry about really damaging it. Get your bolt and nut nice and tight, locked into place, and it's repaired. Things should work smoothly again.